If you're looking for an easy-to-work-with siding material that can extend the curb appeal of your customers' homes, you should consider SmartSide Trim Siding from LP. SmartSide is engineered wood siding with a natural wood grain appearance that's designed to bring out the classic beauty in any home. It can require less labor than other types of siding and requires no special tools to install. Unlike fiber cement, SmartSide resists cracking, is built to resist heat and sun exposure, as well as withstand extreme weather elements such as wind gusts up to 200 miles per hour and hail up to 1.75 inches in diameter. Best of all, LP SmartSide Trim Siding comes with our 550-year limited warranty that brings peace of mind for you and your customers. Durable, beautiful, and backed by our unparalleled service, LP SmartSide Trim Siding is the perfect choice for your next remodeling project with LP, the proven leader in high-performance building solutions.